Good afternoon, Heaton Public School. We're here with the leaders of Miss Pleash again. We're going to give you a big wave. We've got some awards to talk about again today because we've been noticing some incredible learning. And this week, I'm going to read out some of our children who are speaking a different language at home, but also doing amazing work with their online work. And the teachers have noticed them, which is extra tricky. So these people are getting an award from the principal this week. It is Nabil A, Daniel A, Nazda, Mahmoud R, Ben Dang, Ilias S, Dat, Jonah A, Narges, and Sam Pretty. All those people are working with different languages, but also doing an amazing job in online learning. So a big thumbs up from Mr. Hilton. Okay, we're going to hand over to the leaders.
Hello, Heaton. The leaders are here to let you know about our award winners for this week. Look out for a video message from all the teachers soon too. This week in K1F, we have 2 award winners. Win A gets an award for his constant uploading of great work in Seesaw and for staying up to date with his home learning. Carter W gets an award for his awesome PD health work online.
Hello to all the best kids on the planet. We miss you. From K1D, Douglas S has had a huge improvement in engagement with online learning. Great job. Charlotte B from K1D gets an award for always trying her best.
Hi Heaton, in 1-A, Dane A has been completing all work on time and to a high standard. Great job. Subhan R gets an award for engaging in home learning in a positive way.
We hope you're all going well. In 2-3B, Jordan S receives an award for engaging in all online activities. Hannah S had amazing study writing. She also got an award. Great job.
We can't wait to see you next term. Lainey S from 342 receives an award for always being a kind class member in morning meetings and for uploading awesome work to Seesaw. Ian M gets an award for bringing enthusiasm to reading groups and for always offering support to his peers.
Hello Heaton Heroes. From 45P, Jana A receives an award for commitment to her learning and improvement towards her knowledge of place value. Sam Pretty P gets an award for her enthusiasm and commitment to online learning. Wonderful job.
Hi everyone. All our teachers miss you so much. From 56P, Amelia G and Kaylee M both receive an award for their commitment to their learning and for always attending their team meetings.
Brilliant job, boys and girls. We are so proud of you. Don't forget to watch the video we text out with all the teachers saying hello to you. It's very fun. And we can't wait to see you next time when we come back to school. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.